So here are the ingredients we are gonna be using, guys. I got mangoes here that we're gonna be putting inside the blender, and the mangoes is like both big size of the mango that you cut side by side, that are kind of like parallel the big size of the mango, and the mango is a medium sized mango that I used. So, and then I got my banana, 1 medium banana, and I got some sizable slice avocados. So, and then now I got my orange that we're gonna be putting inside like this, and then I got a little bit of honey that we're gonna be putting. Yeah, it's okay. So now we got it down like this, and then we add a little bit of water like that. So now we start. It looks good, guys. Let's wait for it. Our smoothie is done, guys, and now I gotta pour on some. It's real thick now. Real thick now. Real thick. You don't wanna mix this out. Damn, bro. Just wait a minute. Another one. You don't want to miss this. You have to try it at home. It's great, boys. So go get it. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys in the next session of my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then put in the comment box what you like to add to your smoothies. Then give it a thumb up. See you guys next time.